Hi guys, our today's video about best 5 food processor that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Starting at number 5, Hamilton Beach Food Processor for slicing and shredding, mincing and puree, 10 cups bowl scraper. Hamilton Beach products are thoughtfully designed to make your life easier. We research and rigorous testing to deliver the best solution to your everyday needs. Features of Hamilton Beach Food Processor are: bowl scraper attachment. Scrapes the sides of the bowl to keep ingredients close to the blades for more even results and to save you time. No need to stop and remove the lid to use a spatula. 10 cup capacity. The generous capacity can handle processing large volumes of foods, like a whole head of cabbage, without having to stop to empty the bowl, and the large feed chute can fit large foods like a whole block of cheese for quick. 2 speeds plus pulse for complete control. Use low speed, high speed, or pulse driven by a powerful 450 watt motor. Dishwasher safe parts. Dishwasher safe blades, bowl, and lid make cleanup easy. Parts are BPA free in all food zones. Use of different blades. Use the chopping blade for chopping nuts, meat, garlic, onions, peppers, celery, herbs, bread and crackers. At number 4, the Cuisinart Pro 11 cup food processors cover with large feed tube and unique compact chopping cover. To its industrial quality motor, this kitchen powerhouse is built to deliver professional results year after year. With 2 different slicing discs, a shredding disc, a mixing blade, and 2 sizes of pushers, you can make fast work of any recipe prep without breaking a sweat. At number 3, Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. The Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce processor is the perfect little helper for small food preparation, from chopping herbs to finely grinding hard cheese. Its versatility lies in the special auto-reversing smart blade, making the Mini Prep versatile, and it is easier to process both soft and hard foods in the 24-ounce work bowl. At number 2, Cuisinart 14 cup food processor with brushed stainless steel. Cuisinart is one of the most trusted names in the kitchen. When it comes to quality, performance, and style, Cuisinart sets the standard with the ultimate food processors that are elegant as they are functional. Features and benefits of Cuisinart. Durable, dependable, and sized for big jobs. The 14-cup work bowl has the ability to process large amounts of food for family-size meals and entertaining purposes. Maximum power. Heavy-duty 720 watt motor makes prepping large quantities fast and easy. Extra-large feed tube. Accommodates whole fruits and vegetables to fit inside for less pre-cutting and with ease. Precise professional results. The durable and consistent stainless steel blades power through any prep task, from single garlic cloves to heavy dough. On-off pulse. Control paddles provide a single-touch experience. At number 1, Breville Sous Chef Processor. Breville makes the process a pleasure and the end result perfect, every time. Features and benefits of Breville. Induction motor. The Sous Chef 12S heavy-duty induction motor with direct drive control and overload protection will not fail nor falter. Multiple chute options. 3 feed chute options, 5 large feed chute, 2 3/4 mid feed chute and 1 1/2 mini feed chute prevents carrots from tipping over. Adjustable slicing disc. The adjustable slicing disc has 24 setting from paper thin 0.3 mm to thick cut 8.0 mm. Blade system. The micro-serrated S-blade delivers swift action for consistent chopping, mixing, and processing of a variety of ingredients. This food processors is on our list of the best food processors because it deserves to be there in every way. However, you need to purchase the correct one as indicated by your necessities. If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.